Oka mma na mo nwụrụ than move no one Biafra ya ha bịa. Enweghị isi ndụ enweghị uru ọ bara m.
My fellow Biafrans, it don't happen again. No. Please, if you have not been commenting on my video, if you have not been sharing my video, this particular video is very, very important for you guys to share. This our brother that people are seeing on my screen like this just made a shocking statement that everyone have never made. So as they watch this particular video like this, drop your thoughts under the comment section. What do you think about this boy? Because this boy is saying the truth. Just take one of your time and listen to him, because what he's saying is making sense. So as they watch this particular video, don't watch and leave, watch and comment and also share, so that all those Igbo people that are supporting Udele and supporting those people that are trying to sabotage this Biafra struggle, so that they will watch this particular video. Biafra or nothing, we go nowhere. We go nowhere. If not be Biafra, we no do again. Now Biafra we stand. So share this video and remain blessed. One love.
Oka mma na mo nwụrụ than move no one Biafra ya ha bịa. Enweghị isi ndụ enweghị uru ọ bara m. Mgbe a dị 100 na Nigeria, ya abara mmadụ 10 uru. Nigeria abara mmadụ 10 uru. Then ndụ nke ọzọzi enweghị uru ọ bara ha. Ke uru enwetara na ya. Country kwesịrị na-benefit about at least 90% of people. Iwe mind, because mmadụ na-eme omume a na-eme kịta adịrị 100, gụ na-eme ezigbo omume 80% or 90%, aya akụrụ gị aka. But ka can see ya support this Nigeria amaghị ihe ndị ala gbuti Tinubu, ndị isi adịghị mma. Thunder gbagbuo Tinubu ebe ahụ, ndị bandit ya gbagbuo ya dị. Bụkwa bandit ya eji wee chụpụ kedaka ya good luck Jonathan. Gụwa onye Igbo ejiri echufu nwoke a. Anyị makwa na ọwụghị original Igbo, mana anyị na-ahụta ya asị onye Igbo si chụfụ ya dị. Ma mmadụ niile a na-egbu maka Biafra, then go hụcha ahịa, and we are still supporting Nigeria, one Nigeria ihe eme. Ọ ka mma na mụ nwụrụ than na Biafra abịaghị. Enweghị onye na-ekwu ihe a ka ọ dị mma. Ana m ekwu ya n'obi nke m. Ihe dị m n'obu. After all, emeghị onye nwe Biafra so na ya. Ị na-adọ Biafra onye nke a na-adọ onye nke a. O mean na ọnụ nwa ka ọ ka mkpa. Ọ ka mkpa karịa gụ nwa. Ndị gọọmenti do. Ha will no sense people. But ana m agwa ha na ha ya ahụ ihe ha mere nwa ha. Enwere ndị nke na-agwa na my village, si ha na ya ahụ ihe unu mere nwe m. And ha na-ahụ ihe ha mere na-eme onwe ha eziokwu. Nigeria ebe na-ahụ ihe ha na-eme onwe ha eziokwu. Ọbara ndụ niile ahụ egburu ihe ezu ike dịrị Biafra restore. Egbe eluigwe gbagbuo ndụ Nigeria, gbalie isi, gbalie ma Tinubu isi, gbalie ndị advisors isi, ala gbagbuo generation ha dị etiwa ahụ isi ebe ahụ.
Alright, so guys, depending on your time zone and your location, I'm going to be bass boost today. That's about the 18th day of March 2026, and this bass boost will be between Dr. Ngozi Orabweze and Barrister Aloy Ejimako. I know a whole lot of you will be wondering, what can I say? Anyways, before we give you guys the real gist, you need to sit back and watch this video from beginning to the end. But before we go into the video, because actually go to these pictures and this pictorial outcome of the matching Biafra scenery yesterday night. Is it Dublin? I think St. Patrick's Day celebration. Nenu movement, Nigerian government teaching Haga stopping. Biafra was recognized at St. Patrick Day celebration in Dublin yesterday. Biafra was recognized. They were seen marching with their uniform, with the Biafran flag. This is happening in another nation. Yeah, this movement ka Nigerian government teaching how gas stopping, or this movement ka Ijele Chinoga stopping, or this movement ka any man or woman born of a man thinks they want to stop. Because thumbs up for Mazen Namdekano in the comment section, or there is thumbs up for Mazen Namdekano, the man Okuku Biafra raw underground. He took his time to make sure that Biafra was grounded in over 200 countries across the globe. Now, I don't want to say much. Let's go into the details of what transpired between Dr. Ngozi Orabweze and Barrister Aloy Ejimako. One of them we post to make yesterday, where Barrister Aloy Ejimako was actually calling on Ndi Igbo to support the forthcoming 2027 Nigerian election. That it is a time for ndị Igbo to grab their position into some big offices and power in Nigeria. That was what caused the gbasgbos. This morning, Dr. Ngozi Adabueze has actually sent a reply regarding Ifa Barrister Aloy Ejimakor posted. I'll read you guys the reply of Dr. Ngozi Adabueze, and again what Barrister Aloy Ejimakor replied Dr. Ngozi Adabueze, and another reply again from the USB government, causing a whole lot of gbasgbos. But before we go into the details in full, like I used to say, don't forget our promo and bonanza kadi on. Open on if you promote your business, your career. No, if you name it, your company, if you name it, or nature more how to create content, because a whole lot of us now, if you find a many one down and they don't know how to start. We also give room for mentorship. Open nature more content creating. We can help you build your platform, build it, coach you, and you become a grown and independent as a content creator. The only thing you need to do is to send a WhatsApp DM here. Don't forget, it's not for free. We charge fees for every service we render. Even if you want a UK TikTok account where you can earn money from your videos, or literally build your YouTube, or literally build your Facebook. I have built a whole lot of content creators from scratch. Even those I monetize by myself. So you're on the right track. All you need to do is to send a WhatsApp DM and we'll pick it up from there. Now let's go into the details of the gbasgbos happening this morning. A whole lot of Igbo and Biafrans didn't really like that update from Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. I mean, calling on Ndesinahana Zomha, Ndesinahana Zomoro, Ndesinahana Zo Freedom, Ndekwero with Mazen Lamdekano, putting up a write-up, telling them to still come and support the forthcoming Nigerian election. I'm going to watch my comment and my opinion in that video. I said everybody is entitled to their opinion. Manobro for Aloy Ejimakor, he called on Igbo to join the Nigerian election. If you know, be an average Igbo man, they don't want to have anything to do with Nigeria again. A whole lot of impunity. You put me another video. I'm going to watch it here. Go and watch it. I said a whole lot of impunity naga on Nigeria. So that is why Igbo didn't separate themselves from Nigeria. Aloy Ejimakor may not be wrong by saying his mind. Anyways, he said in the post, the reply only Dr. Ngozi Adabueze, that he was not the one that made the post, but he reposted it for the person who made the post. Anyways, let's go into what Dr. Ngozi Adabueze wrote to Aloy Ejimakor this morning. The update says, press release specific to Aloy Ejimakor. Dear Aloy Ejimakor, I went through the letter you posted on your Twitter page begging the United States of Biafra citizens and Igbo to join the Nigerian political parties and elections. It is now obvious and clear to me on why our leader Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu fired you as his attorney and chose to represent himself. My conviction is also based on your plot to scuttle the voluntary Mondo seat at home embarked on by Biafrans who have been brutally murdered by the Nigerian state when they marched openly on the streets of Nigeria. This plot was confirmed when you posted that Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu called off the voluntary Mondo seat at home. Biafrans have refused to fall into your trap and have overwhelmingly continued to sit at home. Neither our leader Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu or our PM Simon Ekpa wanted to be part of Nigeria politics. Stop the deceit and misinformation, Aloy Ejimakor. Many innocent Biafrans have been killed by the Nigerian state, and thousands are languishing in different jails across Nigeria and Biafra land. Moving forward, and based on your recent activities to undermine the 50 million Biafrans that voted through a self-referendum to exit Nigeria, converged in Finland on November 29, 2024 to declare our independence, legally protecting that independence at different international courts and local courts. Having seen your conclusion with the Nigerian state to sabotage the independent nation of the USB and assist the Nigerian state to continue to colonize and enslave Biafrans, you, Aloy Ejimakor, from today, March 16, 2026, is hereby barred from speaking for or representing in any shape or form our leader Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu, Igbo, or the Biafra people. Biafrans, please distance yourself from Aloy Ejimakor and treat him as an ally of Nigerian state and enemy of Igbo. Dr. Ngozi Adabueze, DPM, United States of Biafra. So this was the letter Dr. Ngozi Adabueze wrote to Aloy Ejimakor after that tweet, where he was saying, anyway, he was not the one that tweeted, he just reposted a tweet where the person was actually saying that Igbo should join the Nigerian politics. Or with all this impunity, can you go to the person that wrote that article? Did Tinubu win the 2023 election? Then we'll continue from there. And then secondly, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu on a detention. He's being jailed with a law that is not in existence. The same sin Hakle Mazen Nnamdi Kanu committed is the same sin Sunday Igboho, who is walking free now, committed. Sunday Igboho is walking a free man, and Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is in jail. And an Igbo man got put sit here down, the article, see I join your politics. Come on now. Come on. Anyways, let's see the reply of Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. Aloy Ejimakor went further to reply Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, and he said, Ngozi Orabueze at Ngozi Ora, your misguided abuse indicates that you didn't read the article in question to the end. If you did, you would have seen that it is not authored by me, but by Chief Chekwas Okori. You may disagree with what he suggests, but to resort to abuse is anti-Igbo. So Aloy Ejimakor was simply telling Ngozi Orabueze that she should that she would have not resorted to insults and abuses. And anyway, in her article, any abuse, please, if you see, indicate to us on the comment section. Or maybe any abuse here. I don't think there's any abuse. So Aloy Ejimakor wasn't okay with what Dr. Ngozi Orabueze tweeted on his or to him. So, and then the next thing after Barrister Aloy Ejimakor's reply, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze also issued another statement. And this time around, the update says, it takes two people to lie. The person telling the lie and the one who believes the lie. Dear Aloy Ejimakor, read the response of genuine Biafrans on your X handle and learn one or two things. You claim you did not write it, but you reposted the plea for Biafrans to join a country of particular concern. I love this response. Aloy Ejimakor no onye deda letter. How makwana Nigeria be a country of particular concern. CPC. Then you made a Meduguri just yesterday. I will come to that news and give you guys details. I will come and give you guys details of that bomb blast in Meduguri. Careful how lives we are air. And I did a write-up about the bomb blast on Facebook, and one idiot, one who could come to tell me it's fake news. Are you in the name fake news? Man, I love this. Aloy Ejimakor, Osia, are you aware that Nigeria is a country of particular concern? And their terrorist political parties, Aloy Ejimakor, Ocheta no Mumbe designated all these Nigerian political parties as terrorist organizations. PDP, APC, and co them. Or my Aloy Ejimakor, are you aware? Aye. Now, the writer went further to say, are you and Chelsea not aware that over 500 Biafrans gathered in Lahti, Finland on November 29, 2024 to declare our independence from Nigeria? 85 Finland got made that day. Maybe I equipped that one. Alright, the update went further to say, are you not aware that 5 million Biafrans voted to exit Nigeria? Or are you among those that thinks that there will be another way to do this? Remember, you privately wrote to me that Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu ordered Biafrans to cancel the voluntary Monday sit at home. Attached, my response to you is not out of a one-time mistake from you, but due to a repeated pattern of misinformation and behavior to attack our freedom and democracy. You must stop. Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, DPM, United States of Biafra. A well-constructed and analyzed response. I thought maybe any insults at this write-up, honestly. She was just trying to remind him that on all they are aware that Nigeria be a country of particular concern. Kena say I'm a Igbo. They are joining Apoli. Or if nda name na hand in city boys, or yawa kainga dia mewe. While Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, who gave his family, gave his own life. A whole lot of you are still lying with your wives at home. Na around you name enjoy. Kurumu no naga outing. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have been here for over 5 years. Then you want the Igbo to now come out in mass and join Nigerian politics and do what? The discussion starts from the release of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Before they will right, okay, it's time to join. In short, they will do Igbo advice to join the politics. Or Mazen Nnamdi Kanu ga abia gwandi Igbo, not you people. Because and Mazen Nnamdi Kanu cannot do such a thing. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu boss on the Igbo. Instead of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu with APC captain NC or Kamaka Onwo, that is the Mazen Nnamdi Kanu I know. The Mazen Nnamdi Kanu I know. Instead of him airport today, they are sending boy abiano kai join your police. Do you what are we even talking? Unamanenyo Mazen Nnamdi Kanu offer of a very high office in Nigeria, and a whole lot of you, when I don't understand. Or the person the boy just not at that support to APC. Money change hand. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu refused to collect that thing. That is why he's still there. There I am at that to vote for what? Anyways, this is what is trending on the news this morning. We could drop our opinion in the comment section, and do not forget share this video. Can give us a Surai. See you guys in the next video.